You need to go back there.
Hello, welcome to another episode on Reverse Gear. Today we are making this car more ready for the trip.
What?
Today we are getting this car ready for a trip. As you can see at the moment, it's just boring and plain black and just looks really dull and boring. So we have got a boot full of goodies. We got all sorts of stickers, different types of spray paint, like fancies. We're going to make this car. Right, first things first, we've got to mask up the car with loads of masking tape and comic books and time lapse to mask up the car. Let's go. Okay, this side is now masked up. Scott has put his input in it. Cheers, Scott. Alright, let's get spraying. Let's do this. Right, well, this is the situation update. Sticker bomb's now done. I have no idea what's going on this side. I think we're going to paint this bit blue, possibly. This is Tasha's handiwork here at the back. And this won't look like before. What side do you prefer? What do you think?
Good enough.
Done it. Nice to the other side of it.
Looks right.
Well, it's like that colour, isn't it? Yeah.
Oh, really flat. Doing your job.
Fixing the bumper. Gaffer tape all the way. Look at my hands. Ugh. Can you spot a mistake here? Yeah, I forgot to put the R in reverse, so now we're reverse gear. And here is the car. Ta-da! What an absolute monster. Names have been added to the car here. There's some more spaces if you want your name added. Go and check out Instagram. The bonnet looks a bit plain at the moment. There is a special reason for that, which you will see in another video coming up very soon. There's something special happening to the bonnet. The reverse gear Volkswagen Golf for me, Matt, is complete and ready.